Okay, this video is to help you get registered into Mindtap. Mindtap is required for this course, and it's actually cheaper for me to buy the book with the code than it is to just buy the book. So bear with me on that. What I've done here is I'm in the course. I've scrolled down all the way to the bottom and gone, oops, sometimes if you click that it shuts. Just opens right back up if you click on it again. Scroll all the way down and go to Essentials book here, 10th, 11th edition. And you'll see these links with the little funny circle, the blue circle there. You know that it's a My Link link. And I suggest right-clicking it and opening it in a new tab. You must have your pop-ups enabled, just so you know. If you don't, it won't work. Now, I have every chapter pulled up there, but the links don't seem to be working yet with the 11th edition. That happens sometimes when they're brand spanking new. But you can go on to full book. Now, before you see this, it's going to ask you to register for the course. I'm already registered, obviously, so I can't show you how to do that, but it'll walk you right through it. So if I want to look for something, here's my book. I can thumb through it, or I can search. Let me move this down a little bit. Search this course. I want to look for active voice. And it brings me to all the mentions of active voice. And I should just click on it, it should work, but it's not working for me, of course. But you get the idea. Let's try a page number. Like I put mostly page numbers in for you to find the assignments. And people always ask me, it's actually in the FAQ. Here we go. Here's the assignment on page 54, and it'll automatically bring it up. It brought me to the chapter. I don't know why it did that, but I can scroll through the chapter and find the assignment. Okay, so that's how you get into Mindtap. Good luck.